Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are playing the forest yet again. This is episode 3, and I unfortunately hit Kelvin. I'm so sorry, buddy. Can I give him some big item? Okay, so I actually accidentally hit him with my axe, and now he's bleeding. I don't think I have anything to stop it, so okay, well. Come here, stupid bird. Okay. Oh, we got one. Okay. Should we set him to gather in something? We need food. That's right. So if we can find the bodies of the bird, because I don't think I got any of those. Flares. Backpack. Got a rock. Cool. Small stones. Okay, doesn't look like I have any food. So we gotta kill the moose from last episode, if we can find that again. That would help. Okay, so let's follow me, right? Yeah, he is, okay. I'm so sorry, Kelvin. Wasn't my intention to hit you with my axe. It was just I had to fix some CDs. Need food. I had to fix the recording because it didn't record my sounds. So and when I pressed in the game, he was standing in front of me, and I just hit him with my axe. Okay, so I think in this episode we are gonna be exploring a bit. This might be a little bit longer episode. I do not know yet. We'll see. We'll take it as it comes. If Kelvin even follows me. Come here, bud. Are you eating berries? Okay, come. Let's go. Is he mad at me? Is he mad at me? Come on, buddy. I'm sorry that I hit you. Oh, he is hungry, I guess. Well, I kinda hit him with an axe. I understand why he really don't wanna. What if I take my axe away? Put something else out. I don't know. Here, does that help, buddy? Okay, can I? Yeah, take a break. Take a break. Okay. So now you just take a break. Still following me? I mean, I can see him on the map. It should be fine. Let's just leave. And if he's not following me, whatever. Try to eat some berries. Yeah, he's not after me. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so I think we're gonna follow the path up here along the water. So I was in reading about last episode about the girl we saw, because it wasn't that didn't really threaten me or anything. But you can actually become a girlfriend, her boyfriend apparently, I guess. Kill these guys! Wow, we died quick. Okay, we have another life. Very nice. Are they trying to burn me? Oh, we're alive, buddy. Wait, do I die from this? Wait, yep, I did, okay. Do I get another shot? Or am I just dead now? I have to restart. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll see you when I hit around the same place with a life. Oh wait, we can actually just go with this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 Okay. Well, that's unfortunately. Oof. Okay. Does it load in or else I'll just cut? No, I think it loads pretty quick. Okay. We've got to be a bit more. But there's a camp, and we need that camp. We need cloth, and we need food, and we need mats. So I'm pretty sure we actually gotta take the spear. No, we didn't hit him. Hello, buddy. Yeah. We got the spear. We go, and then go out for hunting. Assign him to. Oh, okay. Oops. Okay. No, I actually don't want him to follow me. Wait, this? Can I harvest it somehow? What if I take my knife? Oh, okay. Okay, but we can assign him to. Not. Oh my god, I'm retarded. Okay. I guess you're following me. I don't think you do combat though. Can he go up there? Yeah, he can. Cool. It looks like because this is still in beta, they are adding updates every now and then. So I'm kind of excited. I can see there comes out an update not too far in the future, which is awesome. Alright, follow me, buddy. There's a camp right up here. We really wanna take over, but we gotta play it really safe. I can't make a bow, can I? See. Craft the bow, it requires rope, and we don't have rope, so no. And in the old game, you just needed leaves, but you need some more this time around. Or was it just cloth? Yeah, it was just cloth. Let's try to kill him before he sees me. Dodge that! Kill him! Is it that? We killed him! Got it, buddy, though. Okay, I think we got him. Yeah, he's down on the ground. Okay. I think they were bad people. Oh, there's more. Helping you okay? Oh, wait, how many are there? Oh. Got the tarp. Okay, bro. You just jumped me. I don't know what to do. Okay. Is Kelvin alive? I think he should be. I don't know where he is, but maybe I gotta free him as well. He's fine, it's fine. Kelvin, we gotta get away. I need my backpack though. Let's go for the backpack. Ah, we dead. Okay. What? No! Run! Take out the spear. Take out the spear. There we go. We might be able to do the same as we did. Just close distance. There we go. Use the length of the spear. Kill this guy. Die for fuck's sake, buddy. Come here. Okay, he's running. Oh, got batteries and we got an energy bar. We need that energy bar right now. Take it. Grab it. Eat it. Need the energy. Need the healing. Need the food. Yeah. food out of these guys? Become cannibals? I don't think we can. Oh, Kelvin, have a buddy. That's the plan. We've got top now. So can we make a bow? Oh shoot, there's it. Kill this guy. Afraid of me? Oh. Are they crawling in the woods? God damn. They are. We already have tarp. What can I use top for? Oh my god. Oh, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey buddy, I need my spear real quick. We can take this. Yeah, that's what I thought, man. Okay, Kelvin. Grab this guy. Get him away. Okay. Oh, whoops. Did I place my spear? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Got you. So I can make a save point. Awesome. Okay. That's cool. So that's what you top for, but I have no idea how to get a rope. Or cloth. So what can I use leaf for? I can only use for leaf armor. I can make arrows, but I still need a bow. Okay. Let's just run this way. Someone is still after me. There was some of these Oh, okay, so now we get this guy. Gives us meat. Awesome. Now we have some raw meat. We might need to make a campfire so we can get food and we can get health. Let's see if we can get another squirrel. Yeah, we can. Okay, awesome. Alright, so take this guy. With the knife. With the knife. Awesome. Collect some sticks. Small rocks. See if we can set up a campfire. Where is Kelvin? I know he can, you can task him to do it. Oh wait, I think it's only... Right. Stay here for now. We'll be building a campfire. We need the food before we move any further. Okay, so... Gotta make a campfire X to swap. I think it's just... Yeah. Okie dokie. Okay, so... So we need... Oh. So can we just ask him to make it build a fire? Good. Cool. So we can see there's some green dots. Let's go over to one of those. You can see there where caves is and where there are where my home is. Oh. Okay, so awesome. Okay, cool. I just gotta wait for the meat to be ready to sit here, chilling. When do we know when the meat is ready? Is it ready now? I don't think it is. Oh! We're starting a fire, buddy! Whoopsie doopsie. I didn't even know you could do that. Awesome. That's a funny little detail that you can start you can burn things. But oh. Okay, they are looking done. Are we eating one? Wow, that gave a lot. Do you want the other one, buddy? No? Gotta go, man. Follow me. Oh, there's a deer! Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I don't know if it's like the other game where you gotta stay clean to avoid infection, but I could imagine. Oh shoot, there is some monsters here. Let's see if we can just run past them. Hello, buddy. Run! Down to the water. I don't think they will follow us here, because they're too exposed. Okay. Oh, what? There's a vehicle. Alright, there you go. I got something help me up. I found this truck. What can you get like car in this? Like a golf car. But you need fuel. Let's kill him. Buddy. He's just running. Oh my god. Go away, buddy. Okay. Oh. Ah, we got him. Oh my god, that was loud. What is this? Oh, whoops. Okay, this is the point. Oh, you need a shovel? Bro, I don't know how to get a shovel. Can you make one? Let's see. Sticks. Can you make a shovel? You can make a club. You can make a repairing tool. You can make a bow. Nope. Can't really craft a shovel, so we gotta find one somewhere. Maybe there's one in the first cave and you gotta complete that. I don't know. Let's kill these guys. I don't know if they're evil. Are evil. I just assume so, okay? Buddy, there is no normal human that would just run through trees. Okay, so we gotta find a shovel before we can progress with this. There's a box over here. Let's see what there is. A watch, some fuel. No, buddy. I think I hit him. Are you okay? Oh. Don't go for my buddy. He's dead. Come on, Kelvin. You okay? Can I give him some... I don't have anything to give him. That's so unlucky. What can I use? Oh, I can make a time bomb. I'm so sorry. I have nothing to give him. Okay. Yeah, let's just give him go. I think he's mad at me because I accidentally hit him. And who wouldn't be? Oh, no, he's following me. Awesome. Let's go in the forest a bit deeper. Up this way. There's an opening. Okay, he is not following me. He's clearly mad about something. Maybe me chopping the spear in him. Make him happy. Okay, that's my bad. Yeah. Ooh. A big lake. Nowhere, there's nothing here. Okay. That was a new scream. Growl, whatever. What the heck? Oh, it's another camp. Okay, cool. There's many this time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, wait. They are bigger than the others. They look very, very strong. Oh my god, buddy. Come on. Can we just be friends? Okay, bro. This guy's killing me. Low health. Find some meds. Yeah, I'm trying. Okay. Can't even kill one. Okay. That's unlucky. I'll be the first to say that. Am I dead or... Yeah, I'm dead. Okay. So we died 2 times this episode. Luckily we got this. Save file. Okay, I think that's gonna be the end of the episode. I have no idea how to play this game, like you can see. Damn. It's a lot harder than the forest because there's so many things you can do. Okay, let's call it for today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Consider leave a like and subscribe if you liked the video. I'll thank you so much for watching. Peace out.